It's actually quite beautiful. Remember, yesterday I mentioned that grabbing the liquidity from the 5-day will be very ideal, right? So pay close attention to that. And there are two levels here, right? One here and one more here. So this will be quite beautiful if we do grab both liquidity then. And by then it will be quite clear if 5-day has already turned into some sort of support. So pay close attention. This is quite an important wedge for tomorrow. Hopefully we stay in the wedge until Powell. That would be great. We will have built enough liquidity then. There are many instances where when Powell speaks, the market moves in a direction and the next day it dumps very, very strongly. So it happens. There are days as well that when Powell speaks, it dumps and then it rallies throughout the entire rest of the week. So you cannot be complacent. It doesn't necessarily go a singular direction. You must understand the stock market is like that and you have to find profits in the charts. Now remember, watch yesterday's video. I talked a lot about very key concepts here that I want to briefly talk about here. Now, you see it for yourself now, right? When the bottom Bollinger has started reclaiming the bottom here. Right, so this is one sign that I told you that there are a potential pullback that can happen.